A. 2y plus 4 equals 12. The opposite operation of addition is subtraction, so subtract 4 on both sides. That leaves me with 2y is equal to 8. The opposite operation of multiplication is division, so divide both sides by 2. Y is then equal to 4. 6 take away x is equal to 8. The easiest thing in this case is probably to look at the subtract x and add x onto both sides. In this case, we now have 6 is equal to 8 plus x. We're doing this equation in 2 steps, so now I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides, and I will get x is equal to minus 2. I could have done this one in another way. 6 minus x is equal to 8. So I could have said in this case, let's look at the 6 first. This 6 here is positive 6. The opposite operation of adding is subtracting, so subtract 6 on both sides, which leaves me with negative x is equal to 2. Now when I was solving, I wasn't solving for negative x, I was solving for positive x. So in order to remove this negative sign, let's multiply both sides by minus 1. That leaves me with x is equal to negative 2. Same answer. My next equation, x divided by 3 minus 4 equals 2. Well, the last thing that was done in this equation was to subtract 4, so that's the first thing I'm going to get rid of. Subtract 4, the opposite operation of subtraction is addition, so add 4 onto both sides, and that leaves me with x over 3 is equal to 6. Now, the opposite operation of divided by 3 is multiply by 3. So multiply both sides by 3. And our equation, or solving for x, gives me x is equal to 18. In my last equation, I've got 3x divided by 5 equals 6. Now, the last thing that was done here, so it was 3 times x divided by 5. So the last thing I did was divide by 5. So the first thing I'm going to do is multiply both sides by 5. That leaves me with 3x is equal to 30. The opposite operation of multiplication is division, so now divide both sides by 3, and my value of x then is 10.